Whoa, that was the limit. You don't look at the mantelpiece when you're stoking the fire. I think that's the saying. So this is a K8 GSX-R1000, and I think it's got all the bits that we on 44 Teeth, how do I say this? The cockpit. I don't even know what to say. But it's got a TTS supercharger on it, and it's making 230 horsepower. So, and we've also got the SUPERBUSA. So, if you, it never made press, but I actually rode this, or the previous, another version here. But it was so cold and wet, it was spinning in 5th gear, and it was just an absolute waste of time. So, I'll be with Rich and Dav, and we'll back it to Western. We're going to do some big skids and wheelies. The key is down here. Oh. Whoa. I was still spinning in 4th gear then, although it says it's stuck in 4th gear. So this is Raymond's bike. Raymond's from Hungary. Shout out to Raymond for letting me have a go on a bike, mate. Whoa! What the? Oh my God! It's... Oh! Fucking hell! Jesus Christ! You built an animal, Rich. You built an animal. I mean, fucking hell. It's like it's a bit lively. Yeah, no fairings. There's quite a lot of weight on the back. Yeah. It feels like it's a. You definitely know you're riding it. It's a bit of a. Yeah, I need to figure out where to brake. I mean, this that looks like something I shit out after Glastonbury. Yeah. Right. The SUPERBUSA. What's it making, Rich? 320? 370? 370 horsepower? Yeah. Fucking hell.
190 foot-pound of torque.
Oh. Oh my God. I'm not going to lie. I'm pretty anxious. Oh, the noise, just everything about it. Evil. It's evil. I mean, it's off the clock, like before I'm halfway up the straight. It was still spinning in 4th gear then. I mean, I don't think the human race is ready for this, Rich. I don't think anyone's brain is or could be calibrated for this. Right, let's give it some launch control. Okay. I've never ridden anything so utterly ridiculous in my life, and I bloody love it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, that was the limit. Shit. That was the limit. Woo! Whoa. Oh. Thankfully Rich is laughing, but I wasn't laughing then. Oh. My heart is like 180. That was close. That was, I mean, I stopped, I braked at the same point, but I was going so much faster because it's drier. I thought I was in the fence then. Oh, that was off the clock then for like seconds.
Yeah, you was pulling 200, I reckon.
Fucking hell, yeah. We need to
Stop now.
Everyone should have an opportunity to try what I've just tried. I mean, people say going in a straight line is boring, but not when you got 370 horsepower. That's a new experience. That's a new emotion I've felt then. But it was like a new feat. Like you said, my bollock was like halfway up my stomach. It was like entangled in my intestines somewhere.
Can't handle a supercharger? Is a blower not your thing? Then why not try and win a bike with our friends at Apex 66? They have a veritable feast of steeds up for grabs for as little as £1, and you could join over 9,000 winners. Check out the link in the description.
Right, let's go for the slightly less, I don't want to say intimidating, because it's got no fairings, there's no aero, and actually it's really quite unstable when you compare it to something like the SUPERBUSA with wings. And I mean, look at it. I keep wanting to say Dimitri from Hungary. It's not, it's Raymond. Let's go for a little gentle warm up. When I first got on this morning, this was the scariest thing in the world. And now it feels like a bit of a pussycat. It doesn't at all. It's so flat, it's so linear, the curve, that almost you don't need to rev it. You don't need to, you know, that golden period between sort of 10 and 12 grand. It's a real battle to stay towards the front of the bike because you're just getting blown backwards. Whoa! No electronics, no fairings, no worries. I can't believe how smooth it is. It's so, I mean, it's just, you can just play with the front wheel. It's just the fuel in. It's just so easy, and you don't need to rev it, do you? The peak power for me is between like 10 and 12. Oh, the reg plate's disappeared. Yeah, as in it's flipped up. Well, is there a button I pressed?
Oh, it looks like you must have done. How's your speed camera?
So now we're going to have a drag race. Not sure how it's going to go. Rich is refusing to ride the Gixxer because he wants a SUPERBUSA. So make of that what you will. Or either that, or he doesn't want me to ride the SUPERBUSA again after I nearly put it in the fence. But so 370 horsepower, 230 horsepower. But sometimes I think less is more. I'll tell you why, because you can have all the power in the world, but unless you can put it on down to the ground properly, it means bugger all. And I went to, I got absolutely slated when I did a video for fast bikes. We took an H2R to Santa Pod, and the H2R is a pig to launch. Once it's going, it's fine, but it's an utter pig. And I think I did a 9.2, but I got beaten by some far more standard, naturally aspirated bikes. So the internet loves a defeat, doesn't it? So we're going to do a quarter mile, which is a quarter of a mile, and I don't think there's been much in it. Come on. So this is Chris from to Western. He's kindly come on board to help us start the bugger. Right, let's have it. Look at it! That was closer than I imagined. It's a bugger to get off the line, that. Try get off the clutch sooner, so I'm out of the torque earlier, and I get the power to the ground sooner, and therefore less wheelie. Because it just wants to wheelie, this thing. If it weren't for the wheelies, we'd have it. He's done it! Oh. Oh. Don't know where he's gone. What happened?
Oh, cramping my hip.
Oh, really? Fucking hell. So those bollocks of yours, Rich, are getting in the way.
Need to put a cider clutch in it. For road use it's beautiful, for drag racing it's the tips. It's awful.
And the beauty of this, although obviously it's Hungarian, it's perfectly road legal, as is the SUPERBUSA. So I'm going to go and sample what 230 horsepower is like. It's 100 foot-pound of torque as well. So standard is 65, I believe. That thing is fucking rude. Yes, it's got 230 horsepower. Yes, it's got a supercharger, but it's so compliant. And you know, the bottom end, unless you're like really low, like 1500 revs, which standard bikes don't like anyway, but the feel is nice. You can put it along, and then you just open the throttle and all hell lets loose. Well, we had to wait for it to dry out this morning, but it was definitely worth the wait. I mean, Raymond definitely needs a quick shifter. That's the one thing this bike's missing. You can get away, you don't need a blipper for a supercharger, but thanks to Western, we'll be seeing you, mind. And actually this morning, it's beautifully ironic because Suzuki just released the all-new, I say all-new, a new GSX-R1000. GSX-R1000 is back. And it's a 40th anniversary. So, 30,800 miles or Ks. Someone said on one of the previous TTS videos we did with the blade, do you remember that? We took a 2012 Fireblade with a blower on it, and I mean, obviously that was ridiculous, and someone said, oh, it looks a bit like a bit of a sleeper, and just, yeah, to some extent it does from one side, but then you go around the other side and there's a fucking massive supercharger on it. So I don't think you can sort of play the sleeper card, and you definitely cannot play the sleeper card with a naked GSX-R. I've just been kind of, you know, riding along, pootling along, figuring it out, and I was like, the bike feels quite stiff, and I don't mean like suspension wise. I mean, it's GSX-R1000, so it's going to be fairly stiff, but the front end feels quite rigid. I'm just looking down, and these RR design triple clamps. I think they are responsible for this kind of rigid feel you get from the front end. But it's quite nice, I like it. I'm not sure on the bars. I'll probably change the colour. Sorry, Raymond. Whoa! Whoa! 0 to jail in 2 seconds. That's kilometres an hour. And obviously it's overreading because we've got short gearing. I mean, of course you get the odd little misfire and burble and throttle delay and whatever else, but that's just part of the charm. I love it. You don't know when, you don't know what you're going to get. But yeah, like I said, 95% of the time it doesn't feel like you're riding a supercharger when you're just pooping along. There's no downside, that's for sure. Right, I better turn the camera off because there's some super secret bits here. Lurking in there is a 150 horsepower MT09 with, of course, a TTS charger on it. There's that blade I was talking about. Anyway, back to this little arrangement. It's time we spent some time on the road. Is this TTS SUPERBUSA an everyday bike? I mean, it is just... I can't think of an adjective that does it justice. Sadistic, evil, blah blah blah. I mean, I've got earplugs in and it's rattling my ears. I'd like to apologise to this village. Sorry. I'd like to apologise to this village, just quiet hamlet near Silverstone. Sorry. Sorry. I mean, you just got to be a little bit careful because, you know, we got a Brembo Master and slightly uprated brakes, but it's still best part of 300 kilos. So you got to wind your neck in a little bit. I mean, just one slightly rogue throttle hand and you're in jail. It's as simple as that. But it does handle really nicely. And let's face it, there's no real hiding from the police with this. They can hear you coming a mile off. Oh, she handles sublimely. Woo. Knee down. Oh, shithouse. And this really is a test of the TTS SUPERBUSA. I mean, just this soundtrack. Oh, you can make babies to this. Enough's enough, because, no, jokes aside, you look down, on the runway of course, I look down, and you're doing over 180 mile an hour, and it's off the clock, and it takes a few seconds. So, as much fun as it is, I think it's time to hand it back to Rich. You can have it back, Rich. I'm going to jail.